For the map problem, it might look scary that you have to do it in a single line of code, but if you thought about it, it should be an easy one. Here is the single line of code. We have these asterisk iterables, and if you read the problem and understood it very well, the way that it iterates on the values is exactly as the zip function is iterating. Remember, the zip function take the first from every one to print it or return it as a tuple, and it stop at the shortest one. So this definition is actually exactly the definition of the zip. So the zip function should come to the scene very fast. When we have here a zip over all of the items, then we actually can get tuple for every one of them and stop with the shortest one. Once we are done with that, then we can apply the function over the tuple, but we actually need to send it as exact parameter. So we again apply another unpacking here. That's all mainly about the my map function. I would like to tell you something. The filter, reduce, and map function are actually built-in functions in Python, and instead of teaching you the functions, I thought it is much more educative to ask you to implement them. There is just one more catch about them that we will learn it later in the course.